What's up, guys? Just got done diving in the Peshtigo River. Got a kayak full of stuff. Christie and Silent J helping today. Some of the coolest finds that we found were this cell phone right here, iPhone. Christie found her first wallet with money in it and cards. I found another wallet right here. We can get that back to the owner down in Howard. We're gonna get all this stuff up there. And we got help here from Leonard came all the way from Iron Mountain to come and help us. So appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Check out what we got. We've got some tires, 1, 2.5, a minnow cage. Look at all that aluminum. That is a lot of aluminum. Bunch of plastic right there. Piece of someone's tube. Got a lot of clothes out here. People are losing their shirts, shorts, pants. Oh, this thing is moving right here. Oh, look at that. Oh, we gotta bring him back down to the river. Got a bunch of hats here. Found someone's Apple iPhone. I think this is a 14. A nice earring here. Not sure if it's real gold. Found a couple wallets here. This one, Daniel Sanchez. Anastasia Caribou lives real close to us. We're gonna get this wallet back to her, and they both have money in them. Jay found a Frisbee golf disc here. We found a bunch of sunglasses all together. I remember when Christie came up with these American flag ones, right?
First pair.
Sweet. Got a bunch of vapes out of here today. Hair clip, bunch of bottles. You can see all these bottles over here. This was Christie's first antique bottle. United Beverages out of Menominee, Michigan. We also got a bunch of river drinks right here. Bunch of different colors in there. Jay, do you want to try the red one out or what? No? Okay. This bottle here was full. A couple masks here, a swimming mask. And you got a nice case here for aluminum can. This comes off and the can comes out. So this is everything right here. All that over there. All this over here. It's an awesome dive. It took a long time to start from the beginning to the end. And Christie kept asking if we were done yet and how much further we had to go.
All right.
But we made it, and you know, I just had to keep telling her, you know, just one more bend, one more turn, we're almost there, and we made it. So
I need my lip gloss.
she brought all her makeup with too. Check out that picture that I took earlier.
If you're out enjoying our waterways, please remember to take all the stuff back out with you that you brought in. We can all do better and make a big difference.